Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see AirPods Pro second generation unboxing. This is an Indian retail unit. A friend of mine ordered recently when the pre-orders were open at Apple India website. As you can see, the cardboard box package includes the AirPods Pro inside with a tightly sealed with a polythene sheet. The packaging is overall good. Apple follows this for few years to make sure that the AirPods Pro or any other accessory that you order doesn't move and gets damaged at the corners while it is in transit. After removing the plastic polythene sheet, you can take out the AirPods Pro, and in the front there is a small design change to identify it as AirPods Pro second generation, and in the rear you can see that the full AirPods Pro with the charging case is printed with different languages of that says the AirPods Pro second generation. And in the sides, manufacturer details are printed, and in the rear we can see the iPhone-like adhesive tapes or stickers that we need to peel off in order to open the AirPods Pro box. Simply hold the top of the lid and it will slide down due to its weight, and you will see the designed with Apple in California printed on a small cardboard cutout box. Inside that, you will see the instruction manuals of how to set up AirPods Pro first time and what are the features that are available in the AirPods Pro second generation. And warranty related informations are also there. Let's keep it aside, and when we take out the AirPods Pro, you can see that it is again wrapped with another polythene sheet. Before opening it, we can see the box contents. So the cardboard cutout, you need to remove it to see the charging cable, which is USB-C to Lightning cable. And of course, this is non-braided cable. I wish, as it is a Pro version, Apple includes the braided version. At least I hope it will happen in future. And below that, we will have a small rectangle box that has the 3 sets of ear tips that we can use for our AirPods Pro. Previously, there were only 2 with the first generation. Apple have included the extra small size this time. And there is a 4th one, which is, by default fixed on your AirPods Pro that is inside the case. When you set up the AirPods for the first time, you will check with your ear fit test, the instructions will be given on your iPhone, and you can choose which ear tip is perfectly fit for you to experience that active noise cancellation. So let's take the AirPods Pro outside the polythene wrapper, and here you can see it's so beautiful, and at the same time maintaining it with the same glossiness without scratches and wear and tear is definitely hard. In the right side, compared to the first generation, now you have the Lanyard Loop, which will be very useful. I wish Apple included this in the first generation itself. And in the bottom, they have speaker holes available right now. The sound is kind of okay, and you can use the Find My app feature to trigger that sound to find the AirPods if you lost it somewhere in your room. And when you open the lid, the AirPods Pro placed beautifully inside the case, and you will see the white light blinking that shows that this is a fresh new AirPods. Once it's set up, you will see the green light, and if the battery is low, you will see the amber color or orange color light blinking on your case. So this is the AirPods Pro second generation, and the black cutouts on the AirPods Pro are the place where sensors actually placed inside to make the transparency mode work, active noise cancellation work, and it helps to detect when you wear the AirPods Pro and lets you play or pause the audio or video that you're watching on your iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, and Mac computer. And this time with the AirPods Pro second generation, instead of just a click button on the sides, you can also swipe up and down to control the volume, which is a useful addition that Apple have made in this second generation of AirPods Pro. I will soon bring the comparison between the first generation and second generation and whether you can buy this or the first generation. I like to share my thoughts in the upcoming video. Thank you and have a wonderful day.